Hello guys, today we're going to fix the issue that your device CMF Buds 1 are so quiet. The first thing, and the most important one, check if you don't have the volume lowered in your device. If you have, this is your mistake, and I know that it may be funny, but it happened to me twice, and I thought that my earbuds are broken actually. So check that out first. The second thing, you need to check your app. If your application is not the latest version can be damaged, try updating your application, try changing the application. If nothing works, you need to now try to do a factory reset of your earbuds. Open your case light and hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds until you see the light going red 3 times. This factory reset should be a good way to go. But if nothing works after that, you need to contact your support because your device may be broken. Goodbye.